Can you just try this? There are 3 plates, 1, 2, 3 equally spaced. And 2 is connected to positive polarity of the battery, and 1 and 3 they are connected together and connected to negative polarity of the battery. And you are supposed to find the effective capacitance between these ends.
So it's 4 by 3, sir.
4 by 3. Any idea? See, it cannot come as a pure number, because this 1 does not mean 1 microfarad. It is first plate, second plate, third plate. These are all plate
Oh,
numbers.
okay, sir. I thought 1, 2.
No. Let the distance between any two successive plates is d. The area of each plate is a.
So then can we assume all 3 have one constant value, sir?
That is not given. Only distance between the plates is given d. Area of the plates, each plate is a. That's only given. Just to think, whatever comes to your mind, you can tell. If it's wrong also, doesn't matter. Shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, this is negative because connected to negative plate. This is positive. So this forms one capacitor. After all, for a capacitor, one plate should be positive, the other plate should be negative. So this is one capacitor whose capacitance is epsilon naught A by D. Now consider these two. This is positive, this is negative. So these two one capacitors. These two capacitors are in parallel. Because you see there are two junctions. These two are connected and there is one junction. This is plainly going. So there are two capacitors in essence. They are connected in parallel. And each capacitance value epsilon naught A by D. No number is given, just the distance as D and area as A. So now there are two capacitors. Epsilon naught A by D is the capacitance of each capacitor. The two capacitors are connected in parallel. So what will be the answer? Each capacitance is epsilon naught A by D. So what is the effective capacitance? See, two capacitors, I
Can you
repeat.
tell, sir?
Huh?
Can you tell, sir?
Yes. Two capacitors. Suppose two capacitors have the values C and C. What will be effective capacitance? They are in parallel.
Sir, 2C.
2C. But here what is C? Epsilon naught A by D.
A by D epsilon naught.
இல்லைம்மா சி இது ஒரு கெப்பாசிட்டர், இது வேல்யூ வந்து சின்னு வச்சுக்கோ. இது ஒரு கெப்பாசிட்டர் சி, இது ரெண்டும் பேரலல். பேரலல்னா 2C, C plus C 2C, where C is the capacitance of each capacitor. So C is epsilon naught A by D. So the answer should be 2 epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A by D, epsilon naught A by D you should add. When you add,
Okay, sir.
When you add epsilon naught A by D and epsilon naught A by D, because of the parallel combination, you will have 2 epsilon naught A by D. That's all. See the working? The above arrangement can be considered as two capacitors with plates 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 are connected in parallel. The equivalent circuit is this. Right? Two epsilon naught A by D. See 1 and 2, one capacitor. 2 is positive. 1 and 3 connected. See, 1 and 3 connected and goes to negative. So this is equivalent circuit. Final answer 2C. This is C, this is C. Separated by same distance. Area of the plate same, but it has been drawn little longer, but the line has been drawn little longer, but the area of the plates are all same. So 2C, 2 epsilon naught A by D. Copy the equivalent circuit, that will help you.